Welcome to this video. In the past 3 months, we've set up ads, funnels, marketing campaigns for different brands, different businesses around the world. Okay, and we've noticed that the results from a particular set of ad, the results from a particular set of ads has been outstanding. Yes. Now, these results, the results we get from this set of ads, they have been excellent, especially for Facebook and Instagram ads, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you, some of the best strategies, or some of the best strategies that will help improve your adverts on Facebook and on Instagram, especially as a business owner. If you want to get great results from your adverts moving forward, results that are better than the usual. This video is going to share with you how to go about your Facebook adverts, your Instagram adverts, even your TikTok adverts to get amazing results better than what you have been seeing all around. All right. So, without wasting time, we're going to dive into the Ads Manager where I'm going to reveal all of these things to you and show you step by step how advertising on Facebook works and how you can set up better ads, structure better ads for great results. My name is Courage. You're welcome to my channel. Let's dive in straight to the Ads Manager now. So once you come down here to the Ads Manager, it depends on what your objective is, right? It could be leads, it could be what's it called? It could be traffic, it could be sales. Okay, for the sake of this video, we'll go with sales objective. Sales, because what, we're either going to get conversions on our websites or catalog sales, or we're going to get people to message us on Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook Messenger. So we click on continue here without wasting time. We click on continue and we dive into all of this stuff. So once it gets you to this point, you use the manual sales campaign. Click on the manual sales campaign. Click on continue. Easy peasy, no stress. And so we are here. Always name your campaign, like I said. Always name your campaign. Okay. Uh, tutorial. Tutorial campaign. So once you have named your campaign, you're going to leave every other thing here the way it is, except your business is in a different kind of a category, like the special arts category, where you are going to, indicate that, right? But for here, we are selling stuff that are not in the special arts category. So I'm going to leave everything right the way it is right here, and we go to the ad set. So we come down here at the ad set level. So the ad set level is where you're going to choose where do you want to run this adverts to. Is it to a website? Is it to your Instagram DM? Is it to your WhatsApp? Is it to Facebook Messenger? Whatever it is that you desire with this advert, this is where you are going to put it. Now, for the majority of business owners, it is usually, especially for e-commerce and the dropshippers, it's usually a website, right? A website traffic. So let's take, for instance, this website. You click on website, right? It's an example. You sell physical products for e-commerce, dropshipping, stuff like that. You select website. You make sure that your website is already pixelated, so you have pixel on your website that you can track activities. Yeah. So yes, you are optimizing for number of conversions. You're maximizing for number of conversions. And then when you come down here, you select your daily budget. Okay. Depending on what you can afford per day, you select your daily budget. Then you keep coming down. Now, here is the thing, right? When you want to run adverts, you're going to run different types of ads. Okay. However, you must ensure that you have at least 2 to 3 ads running at the same time, at least 3 ads in short. Okay. So once you set up your advert, you're going to run advert to a targeted audience. You're going to run advert with the audience control, where you use this advantage plus audience. You allow Facebook algorithm to do their work. You don't get to put in anything. Just allow the algorithm. The most you could do here is select location. So you come here, you select your location. If it is New York City, if it is UK, if it is Lagos, if it is Accra, if it is Nairobi, whatever it is, you input your location here. You select your location. All right. Once you have done with the selection of location, um, That is for one of the ad sets. For one of the ad sets. Okay. So you leave this here. Excuse me. You leave this here the way it is. Advantage plus. The reason is because you want to see the type of result. You want to compare different results. You want to see the best performing ad sets that you have from Facebook or from Instagram, as the case may be. All right. Once you leave this one, you quick duplicate here. This is quick duplicate. You click on quick duplicate. This is this button here, this three dots. So you click on quick duplicate. You quick duplicate it. All right. This is the copy here. Ad sets. This is the copy, the one you just duplicated. So you come down here. Your location. Remember that we selected location Lagos. So you come down. You come down here to this point where you have your audience. Okay. To this point where you have your audience, you are not going to use the advantage plus because you have already used it here. So you come here and you switch to original audience option. You click on use original audience. You click on use original what? Audience. So here you can now target people based on age, demographics, interest, blah blah blah. The usual way we do Facebook adverts. Okay, so this is the age. You edit the age. You target your audience based on their ideal age. You should know the ideal age of your audience. If you don't know, check through your Instagram profile. You will see the best engaging age for your product. Okay, so you know the ideal age of your audience. You select the age. You select the gender. If it is gender specific, if it is for male or female, you select gender. Then you come here, you put your interest targeting. Let's take for instance, you are selling physical products, e-commerce products. I don't know what you're selling. For instance, shoes. Okay, so you can target shoes, the interest. Okay, so you can see office shoes. We're selling office shoes. This is office shoes, footwear. All right, all those shoes, clerk shoes, office shoes here, the employer, bata shoes. So it depends on what you want. Okay, so you target shoes and the different interest that falls under the category of the product you are selling. Once you have done that, you now have two different ad sets. This ad set here, this one that says copy, this one is the ad set that has interest targeting, demographics, age, gender, and whatever it is. While this ad set here, this one is the one that has audience control. You allow the algorithm to do their work. You allow the Facebook or Instagram algorithm to do its work. At the end of a couple of days, maybe at the end of 7 days, you're going to come and compare the results and you see the one that is giving you the best performance so that you don't keep wasting money on adverts doing nothing, right? This is just how these things are done with ease. It helps you find out your best performance. Okay, so let's continue. So you come down uh with this one. So of course you want your advert to your placement. You can edit your placement. Okay, you can edit your placement here. Just click on edit placement. Do you want the advantage plus placement or you want manual placement? We're going to select manual placement. Okay, we're going to select manual placement, and then because we want the advert to run, we want the advert to run both on Instagram and on Facebook. Okay, not on Messenger, not on Audience Network. So we want just Instagram and Facebook. So this advert is going to run. We have checked Facebook, we have checked Instagram, right? And then we come down to the ad proper. The ad proper. You select the Facebook page where you want to run the advert to. All right, you select the Facebook page where you want to run the advert to. Now, this is where the magic happens. Okay, for you to get right now, from what I said in the beginning, I said that in the past 3 months we have seen amazing results from different adverts that we have set up, we have managed, from the funnels to the advert to the marketing campaigns, and there's a particular set of ad that performs well. This is where the magic happens. This is where UGC ads begins to pop. Okay, so once you come here, I always advise business owners to use an existing post on your profile. Select an existing post on your profile, a post that is performing well. Select your best performing post. And from experience, from what we have done in the past 3 months, we have seen that UGC content, UGC ads, okay, UGC video ads perform astonishingly well. Yes, UGC video ads are one of the best. In fact, is a revolutionary trend right now. It's giving amazing results from the adverts we've set up for different clients around the world. I'm talking of different countries. We have come to realize that people relate better with when they see other people making use or talking about the same product that you are promoting. So it kind of builds a certain level of connection, a certain level of trust. Okay, so once you come here, you're going to click on uh manual upload, of course, manual upload, single image or video. All right, single image or video. Then at the point of your add creative, to add media, you click on add video. Okay, and then you go to your account. This You go to your account. This is for the videos that are on your system, on your computer, on your laptop, whatever it is. Okay, why the one I always suggest is is for you is for you to click on this create ad and use existing post. Click on this, use existing posts. So by this time you have already um posted the video on your profile, either on your Facebook page or on your Instagram profile, and the performance has already been established on your profile. It is easier for you to share that particular video with more people. Those are the videos that perform well. UGC content. Right now, it is taking over the place and it's amazing. In my experience, there's a platform, it's called Billo, right? Now, Billo UGC video ad works effectively for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This is a platform that offers you the opportunity to select the creators you want to make your own video. Okay, so if you need an exceptional solution to your Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok advert creatives, then you should consider jumping on Billo right now to get high performing UGC video adverts. Yes, yes. With Billo, you discover the power of UGC video ads. Okay, it's your key. It's your key to Facebook and Instagram advert sources. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to Billo in the description of this video below. So go ahead, click on that link, get on Billo and see how it works. Let's open up the website here. This is it, Billo.app. Billo.app, right? Billo.app. You simply come here. It says excel on paid social with authentic creator videos. This platform gives you the opportunity to get the best performing Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ad videos, user generated content videos. Amazing stuff. You can always see what other people are seeing. Here's how others succeed with Billo. You can always read up stories about other business owners like yourself who are enjoying great ROI, 10.75% ROI increase, 15% higher CTR, right? So, and it's 8% lower CPA. So, a lot. So, this Brickstar scaled the Chatters app marketing efforts to over $60K, all right? Thanks to below targeted video ads. So, these are the authentic faces for any niche whatsoever. There are people who are ready and available to get on board and give you outstanding videos that will perform exceedingly. All right. Now, simple one platform, simple process. Decide what you need. So you got to choose between UGC ads or organic content, right? Create your own video brief. Of course, you match with the right creators, you get high performing UGC videos. So you simply come here, click on get started. All right. So you click on get started and you just pricing stacked for performance. So you just select the price, your pricing stack, the how many videos you want, you explore. So I just need you to come down here, explore below, see the amazing stuff below is doing here, check out the success stories, check out the services, especially for e-commerce, physical product owners, right? Physical product sellers, business owners. Come on to Billo, explore the website. It's an amazing platform where you get the best performing UGC video advert. So I will leave the link to Billo in the description of this video. So yes, click the link below to see how easy and effective your ad campaign can be with Billo. Let's get back. Now you have your video from Billo, right? You have your video. You post this video on your profile, on your Facebook post profile, on your Instagram, or your TikTok, wherever you want to run the adverts to. But for this case, you are doing Facebook and Instagram adverts, right? So once I've posted it, and then we are using use existing posts. So you have to come down and click on select post here. You select the post either from your Facebook or from your Instagram. Okay, you select the post either from your Facebook or from your Instagram. It's as simple as that. So once you come, you select the post that you want, click on select. You have seen that the performance is great. Everything seems to be working great, right? Click on continue. So the post is going to be imported into the advert platform, right? With every information needed, your media, your primary text, and everything. Okay. And then, of course, your call to action, everything has been there already. You do the same thing for this next ad. For this ad here, you come to this ad here. Okay. You repeat the same process. You repeat the same process. You repeat the same process. Select use existing post. Use existing post. You come here, you click on select post. You select the same post, the same post, the same video, the same information, the same call to action, the same URL, everything the same, right? So when you have done that, right? When you have done that, this is how you can see how your advert is going to appear when people come through your advert, all right? They're going to see all the engagement that was already on the post. It's going to appear on the advert. People are going to see the engagement. People are going to join the engagement. People are going to click on your button, on your buy now button, on your sign up button, on whatever button that you have placed there. People are going to click on it. People are going to hop on your offer, especially because you have an engaging and an exceptional UGC video advert, right? So yes, that's how to run adverts that's going to give you amazing and exceptional results moving forward. So below UGC video ads works effectively for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok adverts. Okay. So, like I said before, if you need exceptional video solutions for your Facebook ads, for your Instagram ads, for your Billo ads, for your TikTok ads, then you should consider jumping on Billo right now. Okay. Jump on Billo. This is your key to Facebook and TikTok ads success. So that's it. I'm going to leave the link to Billo in the description of this video. So go there, get as many UGC video ad creatives as possible. And I wish you the best in your business.